Welcome to Math Tutorial Channel. This is your teacher Ritz, your math tutor.
Hello everyone. Today our topic is about addition of the similar fractions. So we have here the first given 4 over 5 plus 5 over 7. So first we need to identify the LCD. Okay, LCD. So first, how are we going to find the LCD? We are going to find the common denominator or the least common denominator of 5 and 7. We do first the 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, and then 7, 7, 14, sorry, 14, 21, 28, and 35. So, dito sila nagkaroon ng similar sa 35. So, therefore, our LCD will be 35. So, next, since our LCD is 35, we are going to divide 35 by 5. So 35 divided by 5. So we have to divide. Okay, 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 times 4. Okay, times. That is 28. Okay, then the second one. 35 divided by 7. So we have 5. 5 times 5, 25. Then we copy the plus sign. Labas na. Okay. Next, we need to add the 28 and the 25. So 28 plus 25. 8 plus 5 is 28 plus 25. So we have 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5. So we have 53. Okay, copy the denominator 35. Okay, reduce to the lowest term. To reduce to the lowest term, we need to divide 53 by 35. So 53 divided 35 is 1, of course. So 1 times 35, we have 35. 5. And then 3 minus 5, we borrow from 5. So we have here 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Okay. The 5 here will become 4. So 4 minus 3, we have 1. So our final answer will be, our quotient will be whole number. Okay, the remainder here will be the numerator. Okay, we put it here, and then the divisor, 35, will be the denominator. Okay, our answer will be 1 and 18 over 35. Ayusin natin yung 5. Okay. Next, proceed to number 2. So we are going to find the LCD first. So 8, 16. How about 4? 4, 8. So our LCD will be 8. Alright, so we have here 8. 8 divide 8, 1. 1 times 3. We have here 3. Plus, copy plus sign. Okay, 8 divide 4, 2. 2 times 3, we have 6. Okay, so 3 plus 6, we have 9 over 8. So reduce to lowest term. Okay, 9 divided by 8. So we have 1. 1 times 8, 8. Okay, 9 minus 8, 1. So our answer will be 1 and 1 over 8. Okay, next, we are going to find the LCD of 3 and 1. So 3, 6, okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the LCD will be 3. Alright. So we will erase this one. LCD is 3. 3 divided 3, 1. 1 times 2, that is 2. Copy plus sign. Okay, 3 divide 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, 2 plus 6, we have 8 over 3. Alright, so 8 divided by 3. Okay, so we have 2. 2 times 3, we have 6. 8 minus 6, we have 2. So our answer is 2 and 2 over 3. Okay, so we will erase this one. So this is our final answer. Alright. Next, we proceed to subtraction of dissimilar fractions. The same process as what we did in addition. So first, we need to identify the LCD, or the least common denominator. So the least common denominator of 4 is 4 and 5. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Right? 5, 10, 15, 20. So our LCD here is 20. Okay. So you delete this one. And we write 20 here. So 20. 20 divided by 4, so 5. 5 times 3, we have 15. Copy, subtraction symbol or minus sign. 20 divided 5, that is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. 15 minus 8, we have 7 over 20. Okay, so do we have a common factor of 7 and 20? No. So this will be our final answer. Number 2, LCD of 9 and 3. 9. Okay. 18. 3, 6, 9. So our LCD will be 9. Okay. So we put 9 here. 9 divide 9, 1. 1 times 7, 7. Copy, subtraction symbol minus. 9 divide 3, 3. 3 times 4, 12. Okay. So 7 minus 12, negative 5 over 9. We will delete this one. Okay. We will transfer our answer near to the equal symbol. So we have 5 over 9. So it's negative because the minuend is lower than the subtrahend. So parang ganito yun parang meron kang pera, 7 pesos, bumili ka ng sardinas, 12 pesos, so meron kang utang na 5 pesos. So therefore, our answer is negative 5. Right? Next, number 3. Okay. LCD, 9, 18, 27. So, meron naman tayong madaling process. So, we could directly multiply our denominator. So, we can multiply 9 times 6. That is already our LCD also. So, 9 times 6 is 54. O, diretso na tayo sa 54. Para hindi tayo matatagalan. Okay, 54 divided by 9, 6. 6 times 5, we have 30. Okay, copy, subtraction symbol. Okay, 54 divided by 6, 9. 9 times 4, 36. Equals 30 minus 36. Again, the minuend is lower than the subtrahend. So, our answer will be negative 6 over 54. Do we have a common factor of 6 and 54? Yes, meron. 6. So we can divide the numerator by 6 and divide also the denominator by 6 equals, okay, negative 6 divided by positive 6, negative 1 over 54 divided by 6. So we have 9. So our answer will be negative 1 over 9.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.